In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add files to the media library on Podia. First, a quick note about how Podia's media library works. You don't upload files straight into the library itself. Instead, Podia automatically collects files you upload elsewhere in your account, like when you add content to a course lesson, create a digital download, or build your website pages. Here's how to add a file so it lands in the media library. Open one of your products, this can be a course or a digital download, and go into Edit. Inside the editor, look for the place where you add content, then use Podia's uploader to add your file. You can upload videos, PDFs, audio files, images, and other supported formats. Drag and drop or choose the file from your computer and let the upload complete. For larger files, give it a little time to finish processing before you move on. Once that upload is done, Podia stores the file behind the scenes in its internal media library. That means every time you add a file through the product or site editor, it's automatically saved and tracked for you. No separate upload step required. A quick best practice while you're uploading: use clear file names and keep your source files organized on your computer. It makes it easier to recognize items later, especially if you work with multiple versions of a video or PDF. Also, try to upload from a reliable internet connection to avoid interruptions. Now, when you want to manage those files, you can open the media library directly. In your Podia dashboard, click your name or profile in the top left corner, then choose Media. This opens the media library view for your account. From here, you'll see the files you've previously uploaded. You can view items, download copies to your computer, or delete files you no longer need. The library supports common file types, including images, videos, audio, and PDFs, so most of your course and site assets will appear here. And that's the workflow. Add files through your product or page editor using Podia's uploader, and Podia automatically adds them to your media library. Then, use the media section under your profile to view, download, or clean things up as your content evolves. Thanks for watching, and feel free to follow these steps the next time you're setting up a course, a digital download, or a page on your site. You'll keep everything organized, and your media library will stay in sync with the content you're building.